Imagine this. You're sitting in your living room. The lights dim. The screen glows softly. And suddenly, you realize this isn't just another TV box. It's a doorway into the future of entertainment. Because what Apple is building next isn't simply an upgrade. It's a reinvention of what watching means. Today, we're diving deep into the next Apple TV. What it is, why it matters, and how it's about to transform your living room forever. Stay with me because by the end of this, you won't just know the device. You'll feel it. The Apple TV, as we know, it has been quietly evolving. For years, Apple has been laying the foundation, step by step, turning a simple streaming box into something far smarter, faster, and more connected than anyone expected. And now, it's ready to take the leap. Let's start with power. The next Apple TV is rumored to run on the same powerful chip used in Apple's latest iPhones. That means lightning-fast speed, smoother navigation, instant app launches, and gaming performance that rivals dedicated consoles. No lag, no delay, just pure, effortless performance. Imagine flipping between apps, playing games, streaming in 4K, and everything feels instant. That's the kind of power that changes how you experience TV forever. But it's not just faster, it's smarter. This new Apple TV is expected to become the true brain of your home. It'll integrate deeper with your iPhone, your iPad, your lights, your locks, your speakers, everything. Imagine saying, "Hey Siri, movie night," and instantly your lights dim, your blinds close. The TV wakes up, and your favorite streaming app opens right where you left off. That's not the future. That's the experience Apple is about to deliver. Now, let's talk about design. While Apple may keep its sleek minimalism, rumors suggest subtle changes that make it blend even better into your living room. A smaller body, quieter operation, maybe even hidden vents. The kind of engineering where less becomes more. And don't be surprised if Apple sneaks in something unexpected, like a built-in camera for FaceTime calls or motion controls for interactive gaming. Apple never moves fast, it moves smart. Every new addition has a purpose. But here's the real game changer. Integration with Apple Intelligence. Apple is slowly bringing its new generation of on-device AI to everything it makes. And the Apple TV could be next. Imagine your TV recommending shows based on your exact mood, or adjusting sound and lighting automatically, because it senses you're watching something dramatic. That's not fantasy. That's the next chapter of Apple's vision. So what makes this launch such a big deal? It's timing. Streaming devices today are everywhere. You could buy a cheap stick for $30 and it'll play Netflix just fine. But the difference between watching something and experiencing something is massive. Apple isn't selling a box, it's selling an experience. An experience that's faster, smarter, more connected, and designed to last for years. Let's imagine this moment together. You walk into your home. You say, "Hey Siri, I'm home." The Apple TV lights up. Your favorite playlist starts. Your smart lights glow warmly. And your TV displays your reminders, your weather, your photos. That's not a gadget. That's your life, orchestrated effortlessly. Now, should you upgrade when it releases? Let's think about it. If you're someone who just streams a few shows, your current device might still be enough. But if you're the kind of person who craves performance, who wants the best, who loves the Apple ecosystem, this upgrade is made for you. You'll get smoother navigation, buffeting, crystal clear sound. Then your friend calls, and you pick up right there on the TV. No phone, no fuss. You switch to gaming, smooth, responsive, no delay. Later, your Apple Watch syncs to pause your show. When you walk away from the couch, that's how seamless the Apple ecosystem can feel, when everything works together. Now, imagine the next 5 years. New streaming standards, smarter AI recommendations, home automation getting even more advanced. Do you really think your current $30 streaming stick will keep up with that pace? The next Apple TV isn't about today. It's about tomorrow. It's about owning a piece of the ecosystem that keeps evolving, expanding, improving. So what can you expect when it launches? A refined design, a blazing fast chip, next-generation Wi-Fi, a more immersive tvOS interface, and features that tie all your devices together in one elegant experience. This isn't just a new product. It's Apple redefining the center of your home. Because here's the truth. For Apple, the TV has never just been a screen. It's the heart of the digital home. It's where family gathers, where stories unfold, where memories are shared. And with this next Apple TV, Apple is taking another step toward that dream of a home that's truly intelligent, not just connected but aware. So, should you get it? If you want the best, if you want speed, clarity, immersion, and the smoothest experience in your living room, the answer is yes. If you want the future, you'll find it right here. Because Apple isn't just building a product, it's building an experience. So get ready, because when the next Apple TV arrives, it won't just change how you watch, it'll change how you live. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What's the one feature you want most in the next Apple TV? This is the future of entertainment, and it's coming sooner than you think.